Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Tuesday 9 January 2024. The trade setup directions for today will be long on the Swiss franc, the pound and the US dollar, and short mainly on the New Zealand, the Australian dollar and the yen. The first pick of the day is a potential long on the Ftse, but before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The Ftse forming a very nice wedge, falling wedge. And I saw a strong break yesterday. The trend is definitely still bullish. So on the retest, I'm going to get interested. The only thing that I'm worried about this trade is the strength in the pound, and that worries me. So I will watch the pound like a hawk today, making sure that there's some weakness coming in on the pound before I enter into this trade. But first, let's see if it retraces back to retest this level, and then I will look for some candle reversals. CAD yen, we took the trade yesterday on the live. I didn't take the 1 hour trade. I was waiting for the 1 hours, but I never got an entry. But on the live stream, guys, which you can follow on YouTube every day from Monday to Friday, where you see me take these trades live on a $1,000 account, and then you can follow if you want to. But I'm already in this trade. I just switched on the trade so that you can see them, and I show the balance, the stop loss, the targets, and everything on this trade. Right. So we had the CAD stronger than the yen, just by one, same as yesterday. But last night it sold off quite heavily, missed the stop loss, and now bouncing off nicely, getting us back to break even at this stage. But we had this hammer candle there, and then the halfway mark there was also an option to get in last night if you wanted to. But yeah, we're in the trade. I set the target up on the 1.27 Fibonacci of that swing high, based also on historical levels, that resistance levels coming in there. Nice convergence of levels. So let's see what happens with the trade. Let's hope for the best. Not a great start, but we're back at entry. Let's see if we can push higher for today. Then on the Swiss yen, forming a nice triangle. If you look at the Swiss up there, much stronger than the yen, all the sparkle on the Swiss. So I would like to see, well, I was hoping for a retracement, but that's doesn't happening at this stage. So what I'm going to wait for is a break now above this falling triangle, or let's call it the falling trend line of the triangle, and the break, the retest, and I'll look for some candle reversals there, and then I'll enter into the trade. The Euro Swiss had this up yesterday also. Nice triangle, not that convincing breakout, but nonetheless breakout. Busy retesting, so I'll keep an eye on the 1 hours. Most likely I will only do a 4 hour due to a little bit of a weaker breakout than anticipated. But Euro gaining in strength, and that worries me. Euro was down there and then there, and now it's pushing up there. And yeah, it's still weaker than the Swiss, but it is gaining a little bit of strength everywhere, and that's a bit worrisome for me. So I'm going to look for a strong reversal here before I'll attempt some shorts. Then the Euro yen. This one here, Euro up there, yen down there. I am interested in going long. So I'm still waiting for the retest of this trade zone, which I've also identified yesterday. The pound yen, same scenario. Pound, very strong. Those two are very strong, the pound and the Swiss. So the pound yen is another opportunity getting into the correct direction. Also forming a nice triangle consolidation pattern, not even remotely retracing. If it breaks down, then it will retrace most likely to a 61%, which I will then watch tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But for now, my focus for today will be this triangle, the break, the retest, and then a candle reversal. Yes, one can trade the breakouts under certain circumstances, but I focus here on YouTube just on the break and the retest and the candle reversals. So something to watch for today also. New Zealand US, same as yesterday. New Zealand US, still good, the same as on previous videos. Structure there, I'm still looking for a retest of that level and potentially a short reversal. Then on the Aussie US, the same as the New Zealand, most likely they will do the same thing also. They follow each other very, very tightly. But if it gets back up there, same as that I said in yesterday morning's video, there's a level right in the 51, 51, the 50 to 61% level, and I'm very keen on shorting up there. providing the Aussie stays as weak as it is. And the USK, nice big swing, brand new trend, dollar stronger than the CAD. If I'm going to get a retracement back to the 50 or 61% level, I'm going to be interested in getting long here on some decent candle reversals. And the pound Australian dollar, I've moved the swing that I had yesterday here to the smaller one here with new data coming in. You can see pound Australian, still a very strong one I want to trade. So if it retraces back to this 50% level here at market structure here, I'm going to get interested. I'm going to look for some candle pattern reversals to enter into some long trades today. Pound CAD, same scenario, but CAD a little bit higher up than the Aussie there. So my favorite would be the pound Aussie, but if the pound CAD is getting there, back to the 50% level of this last swing, you can see here from there to there, the retracement back to the 50 to 61% trade zone, right at market structure there, I'll then get interested. You can see we had the resistance there, the break, the support again, and then it comes back down. If it gets back down there, I got a high probability of getting a potential long, and let's hope that can work out for us. But first we need the retracement back to that trade zone. Then the euro pound, not one of my favorites, but the swing's still the same as yesterday. New data coming in, didn't move my level, still at 61% FIP. That resistance, support, and that could become resistance yet again when it gets there. I think it's a bit early days putting it in. We got a big nice trend line coming down. This could give a short-term bullish trend, and well, by the time it gets there, that might change. So maybe I'm a little bit too early with this one, but I'll keep it on my watch list, and when it gets up there, I'll see what I will do with the trade. Then my favorite trade idea for today, still along on the US yen, the same as yesterday. But first, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my videos. The US yen, I've added the level in this morning. I had yesterday this structure here. I had this big falling trend line also, and I'm still waiting for both of those levels. Dollar way stronger than the yen, so I'm comfortable with this. But now I'm starting to see some consolidation here, under consolidation. If it doesn't come back, I can't really draw that line in, it looks a little bit stupid, but a nice consolidation. It did break out now, but I haven't got a close yet, so I still need a 4-hour close and then the retest. Maybe the retest will bring it down, then no harm done. But if it misses this level or this level, if I get a decent break up the page and then a retest of this falling trend line, I will consider also taking longs on some nice candle reversals. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. And I've been trading since 2003. If you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program. You can also support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.